Hi, I'm Holly Prescott, and my husband John and I are going to be coming to your area soon to facilitate Train the Trainer Advanced. Now this course is step 2 in the path to becoming one of 142 KWU approved trainers. Now, prerequisite for this class is that you have completed Train the Presenter within the last 2 years. Now, whether or not you're on the path to becoming KW approved or you just want to develop your training skills or presentation skills, this class is for you. You come prepared to deliver a 20-minute presentation based on everything you learned in Train the Presenter. So we look forward to seeing you. We hope you will join us. There's limited number in this class, so please sign up now. And we look forward to helping you develop your presentation skills for whatever you choose to use them for.